Microsoft announced at Microsoft Ignite 2020 that they were launching a product called Azure Auto Manage. So let's dive into this very quick video on what it is and how you can use it. So here we are in the Azure portal, and what we want to do is open up Auto Manage. What we see is we have no virtual machines configured at the moment. So when we click on enable, we're given the option to select some virtual machines. So I'm going to just pick these 2 new virtual machines that I've started up. Now, when we go into Auto Manage, we have the ability to start to look at the profiles and preferences for these virtual machines. Now, we have 2 different sets of best practices that you can apply to these virtual machines. So we have the production environment best practices, which would cover off your monitoring, your backup, security, antivirus, all of the things you would expect in production. And we also have best practices for your dev and test environments, which has same kind of flavour but missing some things because we don't have backup configured with this profile, because often not a lot of people would back up their environment for the development, but obviously you could, but in this scenario we don't have that facility here. Now we can configure some of these preferences to change things like when we want to back up, what files we want to exclude from our antivirus, etc. Once we configure what profile we want to use, we click on select and we let Azure Auto Manage deploy all those settings to our virtual machines. Eventually what we have is these 2 virtual machines configured using Azure Auto Manage, and if we click on one of these servers, if we go into server 1 and have a look at it, we can see that the update management has been configured and it's already evaluating that we need to apply some patches to this virtual machine. So hopefully that gives you a quick overview of what Azure Auto Manage looks like and a quick explanation into how to use it. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll catch you in another video.